Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Lyft Business earnings to your bank account. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To withdraw your Lyft Business earnings to your bank account, start by opening the Lyft Driver app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once you're logged in, tap on the Earnings tab located at the bottom of the screen. Review your current earnings displayed on this page. Next, look for the Withdraw button, usually found on the Earnings Overview screen. Tap on the Withdraw button to initiate the process. You'll be prompted to select the amount you wish to transfer to your bank account. Choose the desired amount or select the option to withdraw all available funds. After selecting the amount, tap on Continue to proceed. You will now need to confirm your bank account information if it's not already saved in the app. If you need to add a new bank account, follow the on-screen instructions to enter your banking details. Double-check the information for accuracy before tapping Confirm to finalize the withdrawal. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification indicating that your withdrawal request is being processed. The funds will typically be transferred to your bank account within a few business days. Check your bank account to verify that the funds have been deposited successfully. If there are any issues, consult the Help section in the app for further assistance. You're now ready to manage your Lyft Business earnings with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.